I'm so proud of all the hard work you have been doing this week. Let's read today's problem. Milo went on a bug hunt. He caught 3 ladybugs, 4 crickets, and 2 butterflies. How many bugs did he catch? Well, today you're going to be adding together 3 numbers. That's a first grade skill. So when you are solving today's problem and you draw the math way, you want your work to be neat and organized. Maybe you want to label. When you write your number sentence, what kind of strategy did you use? Did you add all 3 together at once? Did you make a bigger number, like added 2 of them together to make an easy number for you? I would love to hear what you did. Maybe I can learn from you. Then, write to answer this question. How many bugs did he catch? Remember in your video, you're talking to me about your math strategy. You're the teacher.